How to color match a video in Capcut Mobile free tutorial.
If this helped, drop a like, share the video, and subscribe for more. Presets and effects for life, click the link down below and enjoy the tutorial.
One is to click and highlight your video clip, select it and highlight it, and scroll to the right and click the option Adjust next to Auto Reframe and Video Quality. The first option or the second, which is Color Match. Pro feature, but you can add a source by clicking the plus icon. You can even select from your current video. You can click Apply. You can scroll this to the right, left, and notice how it's adjusting the color match of your current selected source. Click the source and you can click Upload. You can locate a video or a photo that you would like to color match. You can see, same thing, drag this to the right, left, to the right. There's more of the color or the intensity. Plus icon, check mark icon again, and click play. And you have successfully color matched the video in Capcut Mobile completely for free.